you go. Good boy. Come on, buddy. Nope, we made it to a camp. Yep, there's the lake. Glorious. Since I'm having so much fun with this cooking in a cup concept, I thought I might do kind of monkey buns, but they might turn into more of a monkey dumpling. And cross your fingers for me. Let's see if we can make it work. Gotta be really careful. It's kind of like mixing concrete. It's real easy to get too much water. Alright, so I'm going to let that dough rest, and I'm going to go ahead and build up this fire. I'm going to put in some pretty big chunks. But I'm not going to throw them all in at once because I don't want to cool down the core of my fire too much and put it out. So I'll start with that, and we'll let that get going, and then I'll put some more big chunks in. Alright, put some more big chunks in. Bill's loving that bushcraft shelter. I was gonna do it as monkey bread, and then when I was kind of kneading this dough, it flattened out, and I thought, well, maybe I'll just roll it up like a cinnamon roll. So let me cut this plastic. And then we can work with it here. Cream, just so that the cinnamon sugar will stick. Ooh, I didn't want to waste any. Whoa, that comes out fast. Spread this a little bit. Cinnamon sugar. And I'm going to put this on pretty thick. And put it in the cup. Kind of make sure everything's coated real good. Let's just cut off a hunk of butter. Put that on top. Go ahead and move kind of to the corners. Like this height. Put this foil plate back down in. And we'll get our lid on. And put our cup in. I'm gonna add one more thing. A little bit of lemon. Sounds like it might be good in there. You see how hot it feels? I don't want to let all the heat out, but oh my goodness, look at that. Alright. Well, I guess we'll just let it keep rumbling away like that. Let's see how this turned out. I think it's cooked enough. Yeah, it's definitely fully cooked. Let's see if we can get it to come out. There it goes. Oh, a little bit dark on the bottom, but not too bad. That turned out pretty good. I have some cream cheese frosting that I'm just going to squeeze out here. And let's get you in for a close-up. Alright, I thought I was recording. Sorry we missed all that. Sometimes that happens. Set everything up and you think you're recording, but you're not. Too many buttons to push. And you can see it's fully cooked. More of that cream cheese frosting. And that 1 cup of flour just really makes a lot of food. It's amazing. I probably could have used half this much and been okay. That country bottom was good. A little more cream cheese frosting. I left my shade thing on because it keeps the mosquitoes from buzzing in my ears. I can pretty much tune out the mosquitoes. They don't really bother me that much. I think I'm going to save the rest for morning. Set it aside. You want to see how this works? Good girl, good dogs. Good dog.